Sensational, you nailed it with this wig. Ladies, if you are looking for a super affordable wig that is very beginner friendly with a ton of body and a beautiful, beautiful wine burgundy color with a ton of layers, then this video is for you. Trust me, you don't want to miss this video. Diva Tribe, it's your favorite diva, Dangerous Diva. Merry Christmas, it's Christmas for me. My kids haven't opened gifts, but I wanted to change up my hair. I've went from blue to red to black. I've been blue, black, now red. And my kids are looking at me like, come on, mom. But I wanted to show you, your hair is darling. I wanted to show you how easy it is just to switch up your hair color. Switch up your hair color in under 5 minutes. And I'm serious, under 5 minutes. I took this out the box. Just in 3 steps, I was able to make this happen and just change up my look for Christmas. So if you want to learn how to change up your look under 50 bucks, then stay tuned. Watch this video. Make sure you click subscribe. And if you enjoy it, click like. That would really, really help a diva out. Let's get into this video. I can cut baby hairs, but I seriously just did 3 steps to make this look work, and it's flawless. I mean, this is amazing. It looks real. This is synthetic fiber, but it looks real. So I can't wait to show you guys how I slayed this wig and made it a vibe for Christmas. So stay tuned and let's get into this video. Okay, Diva Tribe, let's make it happen. 3 things you need: scissors, got to be glue spray, and of course Sally Hansen airbrush spray. Now let's get these scissors and get to cutting. So the first step is to, of course, cut the lace. And I like to cut it in 3s, but I first noticed that I wanted to get my hair clips to tie my hair back so I don't cut any baby hair. So I'm cutting the lace in 3 parts, a middle part and a left and right side. And then I begin to cut each side. Now, whenever you cut your lace, just kind of make sure you go in a jagged pattern. Try not to just go straight down, to not have that like U-cut look. You know, you kind of want it to look a little natural, just like a natural hairline. So I'm going as far as I can to the hairline and cutting all of the lace off. Now that you've done that, take your hair clips off and you're done with step 1. It's that simple. This wig is just beautiful. They nailed the coloring. I love the red wine color. The burgundy is on point. Second step is to spray the lace. Instead of makeup, you can use this spray. And I'm looking at the other side just to see if it went through, and don't worry about that. We'll fix it as we finish. So I proceed to spray the wig and get the tan color in there, the brown color to match my melanin, and make it look as natural as possible. And then I just take a makeup sponge and I spread the makeup all the way across the lace. Again, you can use makeup, whatever your preference, but this is definitely a good option. And then of course I seal in the spray tan, the color, with the Got to Be hairspray. Now that it is dry, you see it's dry, the hair is beautiful. We're gonna put this wig on. We're gonna put Morgan on, and I slid her on over my wig cap. I put the description down in the I put the information in the description because it really secures the wig in place without anything, without any straps or anything. So again, I'm spraying my hairspray. I like for my spray to get tacky, so I use my blow dryer. It really helps the wig to be adhesive and stick to the skin. So now that I dried it and it's tacky, I'm using my nails to actually lay down the lace. And usually I have a comb. I usually use the comb, but I use whatever was at my disposal. So I took my hair clips and I used the back of my nails to lay the lace down. And now my kids are coming in, running in, saying, "Oh my God, Mommy, you changed your hair color."
Look at this pretty woman. She's a goddess. Mommy, you look
I do. I'm 40, guys.
My mom's 16. She has to be lying. Oh my
I
God.
gotta change it up on you guys.
Daddy's gonna get crazy. He's gonna go like, oh my God.
It's so funny. It's fun.
We
being the only
still
girl.
haven't opened gifts because she's taking so long.
You guys, it's like 3.5, 4 now.
Almost 5.
Well, really, blame Josie.
Yeah, because he didn't wake up. You need to wake up. Yeah, and he's coming right now. You need a shirt on. Whoa. You see how pretty she is? You got red hair.
I do.
Oh my God. I'm like, is that blue hair?
Nope, not this time.
You got so many hair. First of all, you got red hair, now blue hair.
OMG. How does mommy do it? How does she go from red to blue to black?
You have your favorite. Oh my God. Your hair is just perfect. Like, you look so, you're 16, you have to be. You're not 40, you're 16. How much would I have to divide that by?
What?
I don't know. Let me tell you. I'm not gonna do it.
So my boys are amazed. Mission accomplished. I love this look for Christmas.
My beautiful wife. Ah! I think what? Ah! In my eye.
I surprised you guys. He
You wanna
said,
see my face? Oh! That's how they want me to look on top. Oh, balls!
stop it.
Mommy, your videos look good there.
Oh, yeah?
It's a good video.
Thank
You're not
you.
even looking good.
Whoa! Sorry, Joe. Ah!
So ladies, that's pretty much it. I surprised my boys. I'm the only girl in the house, so they get excited when I'm doing different things with my hair, my makeup, my clothes. I keep them guessing, but as you can see, this wig is a vibe. The cut, the color, everything. It's the color and the cut for me. The color is just one of the most beautiful burgundy wines I've ever seen. The cut, the layers are everything. I'm just playing with it, having fun. You can run a curler through it, a wand through it, but as you can see, you can run out the house just like this and it just be super sultry and it's fun. Thanks so much for tuning into my video. If you made it to the end of this, make sure you go check out my wig series. I did a blue vibe. I have a curly black unit. Make sure you go check those out. They're up here somewhere, and let me know what you think. Also, leave me some love. Meet me in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Should I cut baby hair? Should I not? But I seriously did this under 5 minutes because I got to run downstairs and open presents. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. Sensational, you nailed it with this wig. You guys brought it. Let me tell you, this wig is perfect for all my ladies that have an event to go to. It's Christmas for me today and I needed to change my hair. Diva was ready to change my hair. I've been blue this week, I've been black this week, and now it's time to be red, okay? And red did not come out to play, okay? She is slaying.